In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of ChatGPT on desktop. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and review the results. You're looking for the official ChatGPT site from OpenAI. Check the domain and look for the secure padlock in the address bar. If you see ads or unfamiliar sites, skip those and choose the legitimate result so you land on the correct page. If you already have a bookmark for ChatGPT, you can use that instead. Click into the official site to open ChatGPT. If you're already signed in, you'll go straight to the chat interface. If not, sign in using the method you normally use. Once you've authenticated successfully, you should see the main ChatGPT screen with your chat history and a prompt field. If your browser had you signed in from a previous session, that's normal. Just continue with the next part. Now, locate your account menu. Depending on your screen size and the page you're on, it may appear in different corners. On the main chat interface, look toward the bottom left. You'll usually see your profile picture, your initials, or your account name. On some other pages, especially those with a different layout, the same profile area appears in the top right corner. If your window is very narrow, try maximizing it so the menu is easier to spot. Click your profile picture or name to open the account menu. In the menu that appears, look toward the bottom of the list for the Log Out option. Select Log Out to end your session. After a moment, the page will update and take you back to the sign-in screen, confirming you've been signed out. If you had ChatGPT open in multiple tabs, those tabs will also require you to sign in again the next time you try to use them. A few quick tips to keep in mind. If you're on a shared or public computer, always log out when you're finished to protect your privacy. Simply closing the browser tab isn't the same as logging out. Using the Log Out option ensures your session is fully ended. If the interface doesn't seem to respond right away, give it a second, then refresh the page to verify that you're back on the sign-in screen. You can sign back in at any time when you're ready to use ChatGPT again. That's it. Open your browser and find ChatGPT. Click into the correct site, sign in if needed, open your profile menu, and choose Log Out. Simple, clear, and secure.